Meaning of freedom of speech.
Freedom of speech.
Freedom of speech.
Freedom of speech.
Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech is a fundamental human right that allows individuals to express their opinions, ideas, and beliefs without fear of censorship or punishment. It is a cornerstone of democratic societies and promotes the exchange of ideas, the development of knowledge, and the betterment of society as a whole. Protecting freedom of speech requires tolerance for dissenting views and a recognition of the importance of political discourse and the marketplace of ideas in fostering a healthy democracy. However, freedom of speech is not absolute, and limits may be imposed when speech incites violence, threatens national security, or constitutes hate speech or defamation.